Alpha 1. We are now going to be trading some binary option once again live here at IQSense. So, as always, just let me check that everything are in order and we will get started. So now let's see here. Everything seems to be in order. Okie dokie. Then let's go over and fix the things. So go back to trading. Let's turn off some of these pairs here. Let's see. We keep to the ones that pay us more than 70 as always. Let's go down, check. We had that one. Yesterday we did not have so many pairs, but we did amazingly. We had a bad end of the session, but at least we did good all over. Oh yeah, 3 pairs. Let's see. That one. Okay, I think then we have everything here. Let's go to cryptocurrency. Matic we can add. Okay, we'll check that after. As always, we do have some mining going on. And there, okay, then we have quite a few. Okay. Now let me just activate this mining first. Now let's see. Do we have anything here? No. XRP. Crazy movement. Here we need to wait. This is not tradable. Matic. Matic is the same deal. And there, okay, let's see. Dollar against Swiss francs. First area of interest. Problem is from here up to here. It's a little difficult to distance, but I think, let me see how now. From there to about there we can, let's see. We see that is okay. If you can fill up this bar once again, I will take it. Let's wait and see. Now, while I'm waiting, do we have a trend here? We just might have it. Something like this. It's not beautiful, but it is a trend. We need to be aware of it. That's why we think you can trade on this bar, but we need to wait the next. But this can be at least one trade. Let's see. I'm ready. We take a trade if we can't fill up the bar. Fill up means I want it to go all the way up like it did before here. If we can do that, I will take this trade. Now let's see. There, I did take it, and I got my trade. Then, as always, we just move on. We are not going to trade more on this one, by the way, so no matter. Let's just hope we're winning. Now let's see here, this is at the line we have from before. I'm not going to trade here, so let's just remove it for now. We do see a good trend going downwards, so we are aware of that. It looks something like this. Let's see there. Looks like we're winning the first trade. That would be nice. Yesterday we lost the last 3 trades, but we did amazingly before that. So yesterday we did good. It's good start on the live session today. $78. So let's bring up the calculator. Let's see. So we start this live session with $78. Do you know what? This market area we have here, I will go for it. I like it. Looks nice. We don't have so much information here right now, but it's something that was before, and we see the last here was quite good. So if you come up here, yes, I will take a trade easily. Now let's see. We can move it over here as the first target we have. Let's check these other two while we are waiting. Okay, this was a target yesterday. We can see that it still kept good. I'm thinking if it's possible to trade another way, but problem, I do see a trend downwards, something like this. I will not say this one is what I like right now. I'd rather look around here, and I see this area. This for me looks pretty good. So this area is an area I would like to trade. But we are a little away from it now, so let's move it together with this one. We are following these two for now. Now let's check Australian dollar against Japanese yen. Here we are following a deep trend. Both sides. You see that he's following in this side, and we can see he's following for the top side. So here we can't, as long as he's following this trend here, we have no way to trade here. Some people, they like to trade on the trend lines, but it's not my cup of tea, so I'm not going to do that. So there we have these two. Let's go back and check how this one looks like. We have not got there just yet, but we do have something in the bottom here also. We can borrow the lines up here. Let me see, something like there to about there. So then in a way we can say we have a zone to trade here and here. I'm looking this area also, but no, I think we go for these two. That's the two that have the most promise, we can say. So, and you see recently he actually almost did go down to this region here. Looking, I always try to edit my lines as much as I can, but I think we can take it from there to there. Any entry between these lines here I think will be good. So this is the best one for now. Let's go back here, and we have this line down there. Okay, let's just go up and see if we can find something else, because we are very far away from taking a trade. See, he got refusement on this trend line. Let's see here. Now we always need to look to the left, and I think around there can be something. Let's see. We rush anything, but from there to about there can be something, and it's something where we did go recently. I see all all the way over here that this looks good. So let's move it over here. We are ready to take a trade there if we get it. Let's see here now. We just might get down to our area of trade here now. We can remove this trend line now. Always when I can, I remove trend lines at least. Let's see. Let's see. And in a way we have a zone here also, down here and up here. Let's see. But now as you're in the middle, I will check very fast if you have something else. This one is starting to fix itself. Same go here, and you have something here. I would say no. So then it's this three here that you can check fast. You might get a trade in the bottom here now, so let's follow. Just so we know, I'll check the other two. Nothing. Close in the top. So I said these two is the closest. Okay, then we know. Okay, he did break hard down, so that means you're not trading this one, so let's follow this one instead. You might get a trade in the top here then instead. Let's see. Now we just need to wait. This button here is the most beautiful, of course, but we will trade up here also. Let's see. Okay, we are almost up there now. We need a little more push. There, I mean, I got a nice entry in the middle area. Let's go back and check this one while we wait this trade here. Now I need this one to calm down and close up here, and we can take the next trade. If you do that, we can take a trade here. Because you have seen before these type of things, it's okay. It can happen, we see. But yes, you see again going downwards. But you see we get a refusement. Maybe we just edit the line maybe a little bit. Let's see, but I want this one to close above first. We won this one here, sweet. So we take another $76. As you're waiting this one, let's go back and see if we can trade more here. Okay, he's up here again. I want to see this part close first. I don't like what I'm seeing, so let's go back here. Okay, I think we can now take a trade. I would say we need a pretty good entry, so I think an entry around there, that would be okay. Let's see. Oh, okay, I should not have taken that trade. I did go a little too much down. Let's see if we win. We have seen it go much below before. While we wait, I do not think we will trade anything here either right now, so let's just go through all the pairs once again and see if we can get something else. This trend line is still active in a way, so we let it be. Here maybe it's breaking to the downside. It's very rare actually to break to the downside in a downwards trend. That is very rare we see. Okay, this area, is that really something? Think of, do you know what? If we take from there to about there, it actually is not that bad. So take an entry maybe around here. By the way, we have won again. Sweet. Plus 78. So the $232. So we have a good start to this live session also. I was too slow to take a trade here now. Let's see if we get up there again. I need an entry probably around here. I will mark it so you have an understanding of where I would like to take a trade. I would like to have it there. Oh, I did take it too early on, but I think my entry is decent at least. So let's go back to the one we did take here. Okay, he broke to the downside, but does not mean all is done. He's going up now. Maybe we get a trade in the top. Let's see. Looks like we might win this one also. That would be a very good start if we could win this one. Let's see. Now, when that is said, we might get something up here if we continue moving up hard like this. Ah, we won that one, sweet. Plus 74. You know, we have $300. Very freaking nice. Very freaking nice. That was the first lucky trade of the day, but we deserve that also. We have enough unlucky trades, so why not a lucky one? I'm ready here now. We might just get a trade in the top here now. He at least came very close. I would love to be on this bar, to be quite frankly with you. But if you stop here, he might get moment to go up. He will get weaker with one bar. So I would love that, as long as he don't close here, of course. Now, as taking so much time, I think it's better he closed this bar now. Maybe around up here would be nice. Let's see. Now let's see. Okay, he closed there. Okay, big movements. Do I train the bottom here now? I would say no. I think we need to edit a little. Let's do not trade here yet. I'm just marking to figure this out. So I think here now, if you can get an entry maybe here, I think you can take it. Let's see. And I can mark an entry line up here also, just so we have one. I will say around there. So this can be our two entry lines for this pair. So now let's see. I think I like that. I think I like this. Okay. Oh, it's just a little waiting game. But we at least have a trading zone. And I think I like that. I think I like it. Don't have too much information here. It's not too... Okay, here we see well, it was a good area, so we should be able to get in a couple of trades here, I think. At least if we can get two winners against one loser, that is something I will take. Let's see. The support start around here, so this is a hard area, all this. For us seems big, as we are in the 1 minute, but on the 1 hour, it's just a tiny area. Probably all this area here can be either support or resistance on the 4 hour, for example. That is just fighting in one direction, and we are not aware of it because we are looking in the 1 minute. There is no need to confuse ourselves looking on the bigger timelines. Actually, I can do it. does not hurt. Let's take 4 hour and then have a look what is going on. So we can see we are in the upper trend. It looks like it's a resistance, it's not a support. So we can see it's all the way up here. So we see that, but you see he stopped quite good on this white line here in the top. So it does actually mean that this resistance up here is pretty darn strong, to be quite frankly. So the 4 hour, yes, it looks good. Let's go back to the 1 minute and continue. So now we have confirmed that this area up there, it's actually very strong. So that was nice to see. So sometimes you can get the confirmation on the bigger timelines. You don't need to go up to 4 hours, but you can go like 30 minutes, 15 minutes, yeah, 1 hour, whatever. And you can get a clue of where you can then, I can show you for example, I actually have done a few trades. You can go here, let's take it to 30 minutes for example. Okay, so what you do is that you can start to mark the areas you see clearly is strong, like for example down here. As you mark it on the higher timeline, mark it with another color so you know when you come back that this is from a higher timeline. So then you can, for example, 30 minutes, you can say that you mark them with green, for example. Okay, so then you know that it's a good line on the 30 minute. Like for example, up here, for example, let's mark it here. On the 30 minutes, this is a good one. So then you know if you come to that line, you know it's a better one in a higher timeline. Okay, so here, for example, I will market this one because you see it's beautiful. So I will market this one green. So now you get the idea that it's smart to mark some with another color, so you know if you're going to get there, you know it's a good one. So we know now that this one here is actually very good. When I was looking at the 1 minute, I was thinking like maybe it's not so good, but when we see back on the 4 hour and 30 minutes, we see that this one here is very good. The one we thought was the better one down here is not that good actually. So that's a way you can mark up so you can get some more good trades. Now let's see here. Because yes, if it's good for 30 minutes, that means it can be good for a whole session for us, that is 1 hour. And that's what we are hunting. If you can trade on one pair, a whole live session, then you're printing money. I did that almost yesterday. You can see on this one here. Look, this one here. I was printing money on this one yesterday, and again here. So you can see we did a lot of trades on it. So when you first find one that can trade a lot, that's when you can change the day to be a crazy good day. So that's a way you can do when you go through, go to the higher timeline, figure out higher time frame support and resistance, then go back to the 1 minute, and when you then come to your green line or whatever you mark them with, then you know that okay, green is 30 minutes, okay, that's good. Black, that can be for example 1 hour. So then you have a little more like a clue about the best areas to trade. 4 hour I think is too high. By the way, we did truth deposit here now, so when you truth deposit, we are not trading. Let's take one we have not traded today. Not this one. Let's remove all lines. Let's do this as I told you right now. Let's just see if we have any close by. Let's take it to the 30 minute. So let's take a look what we can find. Let's remove these things up here also. Now we have the support here, but as we are below, we can't look at that. Let me see here. This is actually a pretty good zone. We are in it right now. So from there to about there is good. Let's take to the 1 minute and take a look. Okay, now we see that this is too big. So let's take it from there. There you see how big that looks like when they are in 30 minutes. So I will say there then is a good area. We know that we have a support in all this area here. So we choose this one now. So if you can get down there, I'll just get myself something to drink. I'll be right back. Okay, currently we are moving away. Let's see. Still, I like best this area down here. That's it far away, let's look something else. XRP and Matic is moving basically more or less the same, you see? Not so much difference. Just might this be an area? No, I don't like it. For me, I would say this area looked the best. Spikes up here. So as you see, this is with the war waiting, and we see he broke too fast through it. When that happened, we are not ready. Here is basically a little mess, but if you can get down here, it can be interesting. And we are still following the trend here, as you can see. Here we are going with a trend upwards. I will mark it because it can be something interesting very soon here. We have trend upwards, you see, something like this. We are coming to a support area around, I would say, there to about there. That means when we start coming around here, we are getting the blockage of the trend line and the resistant line. That can be interesting in about, if of course you come up here around here, that will be super cool. So we are aware of that. Let's see. Don't see. We got our refusement. We are going down quite strongly. I do try this area down there if you get down there. Let's see. I do don't think he will go this far down again. Looks like he's following a small trend zone upwards here. It's not completely clear yet, but at least we're following. Well, let's see. But yes, this I can mark it now, start to be more clear. Looks like it's going up like this, something like this. And this is respecting quite okay here. We can do it like there maybe. Let's see. We see that you can get these bugs below it, but more or less something like this. So we have more like a zone going upwards. So the first real interest area will be in 1, 2, 3, 4. From 5 minutes start to be something interesting up here. So in 5 minutes time we can start to look for something up here. That will be pretty darn cool. So let's move it over here. If you can get any, I would say, till about, I would say from 5, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, I would say 5 minutes. So in 5 minutes, and then we have 5 minutes possible trading up here. So let's see, that will be super trades if you can get that. I love when we have a trend line and we have a resistant line that is pushing it down. That is dream trades for me. Like for example around here, I would say from the here to there will be amazing to take on this support line here, because we had the trend line plus we had the support line pushing us up. So let's see. Now currently it looks like we're building a trend downwards. All trend lines, if you can, mark them, they can help you later. For example, if you're thinking about trading this support here, you see now that is not a good idea because you have the trend line pushing it. So now you need to choose if you're going to break this support here or go up. So you come to a squeeze. I can mark it if you don't see it. You can see around here we have a beautiful support, but as you can see we are in a squeeze here now. You will need to choose either to break up or to break down. So here we can't trade now, but you see this was a beautiful area, and And you see what's beautiful resistant here also. So this one would be something I would trade if it was not for this trend. So I have the market here, take an entry between here easily. But now we see that he will either need to break up or down, so now we can't. So always, when you can, mark the trend lines, they can help you later. Like here now, it's a gambling to be trading. 50-50. Let's go back here and see. Now we're getting very close to where we would like to start to trade. I would say from next minute would be nice to take a trade up here. So now you'll follow this one for the next 6 minutes. I will not bother to look at anything else. So there will be 6 minutes here. So I can mark it so you have idea. We'll be here till around there. Let's make this a white line. So we will be trading this one till we come to this white line. Maybe one more. Yeah, till there. So now our hope is that he can get up to this one here. Let's see. Now just he can touch the lines there now. We'll take a trade. Let's see. Just waiting to see if we can get a trade. I'm ready. If we just can get up there, that is. And if you think about squeeze, we are very far from a squeeze because that is the bottom line, so that definitely a squeeze. So that will be more around over here. So we have a merge base, so this is beautiful. Take a trade. Now let's see. I will now show you while we go the ultimate area to take a trade. So right now the ultimate area will be on the white line. So if you can come up to this white line, that will be the perfect entry, but I'll take any entry above the blue line. On or above, basically. I don't want below it, but if you can get on it or above it, that would be good. But ultimate area is the white line right now. So I see. Looks like we need to break this resistance right here. We might have some small ones in between. Let's see. I'll be very disappointed if we don't get a trade here. Now it's about, let me see, it's much higher, it's around there now, it's the ultimate trade, yeah. It's all the way up there now, but still, I'll say no, a good entry will be around in the middle area here, but The perfect trade will be on the white line. Okay, now we just might get a trade here now. Let's see. There, I did take it. Ooh. Says I didn't take a trade. We will reload. This happened before. I'm sure we got it. Yes, we got a trade. I'm not sure where the entry got, but I'll take one more there now, just to make sure. Now let's wait and see how these two trades will play out for us. We should win both of them. Let's wait. Going in now to the money on the first, but I think he will start to relax now. He's pushing very hard in the upper area. So much that I'll take one more. It's 3 different timelines here now. Now let's see. We lost the first. Minus 100. Now let's see. We won. That no! In the last second. That was annoying. That was actually very annoying. Then we end up with a loss on these trades here. I was not expecting that. I was really expecting to win this trade here. Now let's remove this there. At least we're winning this one. This was disappointing until we lost this one. But okay, plus 74. That does not mean we are done. This one did annoy me a little. I should have won that one. Okay, let's see here now. I'm not done. Now I would like to have an entry in the above this area here. So it's an entry in between these two lines there now. Will be the area where I would like to take it. Let's see. Something like that. Let's see. I will collect this $22 also. Plus 22. We have $202 profit. Let's see. But yeah, once again, very annoying we lost this one here. I really thought we were going to win it. Okay, then we are done with this. Did not go as good as I hoped, but we can see that looking on it, it did go the way we were planning. It just we were very unlucky on this one here. This one was clear, so it's not, I'm not thinking too much about this one, but this we got unlucky on. And that's why I say when we get lucky on some trades, I take it, because we are getting unlucky quite many times also. But let's move on. We are not trading more on this one. Here we are breaking a little to the downside. Nothing to look at here now. Okay, here we might just start to get something. Starting to go a little sideways. We like sideways, but it's not something clear yet. This one here is basically a copy of the Matic. They're moving exactly the same. Now, do we have something here? That's the question. If was something, he did break it now. Let's see here. We are still following this downwards trend here, as you can see. do not see an area like you had with the other one, with a resistance that is good, or support. Now let's see here. No. I would say still down here would be good. We are but just following this trend, that is what is breaking it. So when we eventually come down here, maybe you can't even trade it because of this trend. That is annoying. This line we can just remove for now. And here he's still respecting everything in between, in a way, this trend, up and down. So currently I can't see say I see anything that is popping out for us. Once again, automatic, as you can see. If you look this now, try to remember, and then look this. Not the same. Actually, the other one came down here, so it's just the last bars here start to look the same. From this, you see, from this to this is basically the same, but the past was actually not the same, not at all. Okay. I will say I do not see anything that. So while we wait, let's take a look at Bitcoin. Coin market cap. Let's see. So 69,000 Bitcoin right now, and our the one we are trading. Let's take a look. 53,000. That was very low. 53. I've been going down. Much down. That is normal. We get a downward trend here now. Okay, let's go to the coin market cap. The halving is 9 days. It's normal we get a big bunch down right before the halving come, and then we start the upwards trend. But yeah. Okay, let's continue. Let's see here. Trying to find an area where we could be trading. It is not easy. See, this was a good. I take a trade there. Did go below it. Maybe it's a stupid trade. Who knows? Let's see. Just take one out of the blue here now. Looks like he will just continue downwards, so we might lose it, by the way. My entries around here, so that will be a big loser. Oh wow, he's really going downwards. Next area interest there, take 2 trades there. Let's see, that was here, that one should be good. Here we have a strong support. You should not break that in this turn. Let's bring up, take a look. Come on now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and one loss for me. That was not. actually we did basically remove my profit for a day. Plus 6, we are basically in 0. So yeah, that is how you can remove your profit for a day. Just going a little crazy. Let's see here now. This might actually be something. I'll take out again. It is actually a good area. Let's see if you can get down there again, that is. Come on, a little more down. Come on. There. And it happened again, this thing. I hate when this happens, when I need to reload to see my trade. But we do have a trade. And he's breaking down again. What is going on? Come on now. If we lose this now, we are in minus for the day. I can't take that. Come on, go up. But yeah, looks like he wants to go down there. Let's see. I do think I'll take a trade there. Okay, I'll get myself some water while we wait and see how this turns out. Okay. We are burning money here now, not printing, but burning. Let's see. Really? We are not trading more on this one. Yeah, I'm $214 minus. How are we in time? Okay, let's do $200 trades from now on. That was a terrible end here now. Let's see. We need 2 trades to turn profit. Let me see here. There. I'll take a trade in between there. And they have the best zone up there. Let's see. And no, not good enough. Almost. I did not take yet. There, I'm in. We got a trade there. Very freaking good. I'm satisfied with the entry we got there. While we wait, as always, I'll just cross check. It looks like we can have something here also. Because you need to be proactive here now if you're going to turn profit today. So if you can get up here. Ah, no, we have this trend upwards. No, I'm not going to trend it. I forgot about the trend. Now what's going on here? Come on, go down now. 4, 3, 2, 1, and we got it. Sweet. Okay. But now I think this area up here looks the best. But at least we got our 146. Take the $8 plus 8. We are just $60 in minus, but at least one more trade and we will turn profit. Let's hope it will be up in this region there. Need this one to start to turn green then. We are in the end here minutes, so we might turn a small loss if we don't get a trade. Let's go very fast over to see if there's something that is tradable. Currently I can't see anything, because I'm not taking a trade, just take a trade either. No. Looks like that was it. We are not going to get up there, so let's see if we can get a trade down here instead, in about this region. Let's see. I will take a trade here if we get down there. The problem, we are done for today. We basically did go more or less in zero today. A little bad trading here in the end, but overall for the week we are up, so I'm happy with that. So with that, have an amazing day and I'll see you tomorrow.